Let us divide the numbers by Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. More examples. Let's try dividing by a 3-digit divisor. So the nearest base is 1000 and let us find its Nikhilam. It comes out to be 211 here. Let us arrange for division. Put the Nikhilam, separate for remainder and perform division. I get quotient 1, remainder 354. Let us check for Bijank. The Bijank of dividend and divisor into quotient plus remainder verifies. Let us try a 4-digit divisor. So the base would be 10,000. Let us find its Nikhilam. By Nikhilam Navatah Charamam Dashatah. It comes out to be 1013. Now arrange for division. Write the Nikhilam, separate for remainder, multiply digit by digit and perform the division. We get quotient as 13 and remainder 4492. Let us verify for Bijank. The Bijank of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is same and hence verified. Let us take the case where remainder is greater than divisor. Let us first find the Nikhilam of divisor. It comes out to be 101. Let us perform the division in usual manner. Separate for remainder, write the Nikhilam and multiply digit by digit and add. I get quotient as 145. As you see, the remainder is 1077, much greater than my divisor. So let us redivide the remainder by the divisor. As you observe, I get quotient as 1, remainder 178. Let me add it to my previous quotient. I get quotient as 146, remainder 178. Now let us verify by Bijank. The Bijank of dividend and divisor into quotient plus remainder is same, hence verified. Let us see the case where leading 0 is there in the Nikhilam. And let's see through example how important it is to have that leading 0. See the working out of this example and you'll come to know that if we omit the 0 from our Nikhilam, we are sure to get the wrong answer. Let us verify our answer by Bijank. The Bijank verifies, so our answer is correct. One can use vinculum of numbers if you want to reduce the calculations by bigger digits. Notice this division. It is involving the bigger digits as 8 in the Nikhilam also. So obviously the calculations are getting bigger. Though we are getting the proper results, but it is cumbersome. As Vedic mathematics reduces the calculations to much extent, instead of taking the Nikhilam and dividing, we can take its vinculum and divide. And now as you notice, we get the calculations reduced a lot. And the answer verifies also.